What's up guys, it's Nick, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I find my hot products and why they always make me sales. Aliexpress, everywhere. We're going to be finding warm, hot, super hot, volcano level products in front of you right now. We're going to find every single way to find hot products that God intended humans to find. Okay, I think that's a little bit too much. So we're gonna switch to screen share and let's go. By the way, the course is $97 right now for the next entire week. I'll literally show you how I went from 0 to 5 figures in a month of dropshipping, and I made the price so low because I want you guys to have money left over for advertising and not just go broke, because I've been there and I know exactly how it feels. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get right in. Alright, we're on a computer now, and I'm just gonna give you guys a really quick overview of exactly what we're doing and why we need hot products, okay? Alright, the number one reason why 95% of Shopify stores out there fail is because they lack hot products, okay? If you guys don't have hot products, if people have no interest in your products, no matter how well you're advertising, no matter how good your advertisers are, or no matter how well your website looks, it doesn't matter, okay? I've seen shitty websites which look like absolute shit and nobody would ever buy from them make more sales than me at one point. So you guys have to understand that even if your website is shit, if you have a good product or a really hot product, you are gonna make sales, okay? You are gonna make money. So I'm just gonna give you an example real quick. So let's say this ring is worth, let's say, $500, okay? And I know that that ring is worth $500, and I love that ring, and I want to buy that ring for cheap, okay? I go to your store, and you put the ring on your store, and you say, oh, I'm selling the ring for $10. This is just a rough example. I want the product. This is a hot product for me. So I would be like, okay, I want to buy the ring. Now, it doesn't matter if you give me the ring in a piece of rusty paper. Does paper even rust? What the fuck? But if you give me a ring in the most shitty kind of, you could say, presentation, I will still buy it because I want that ring, right? So that's exactly what we're doing here. We're finding hot products. So even if you screw up the most, even if you make a lot of mistakes that beginners normally do, if you have a good product, you are gonna be covered, okay? It's like the beginner stick. Like let's say this is you over here, okay? It's gonna be like your stick. So that you're finding your hot product. This is your hot product over here. This is your stick. You're a blind man smoking a doobie, whatever, and you just walk in and there's a huge hole over here, and this is the hole of no sales, okay? Let's just make it the hole of no sales. And you have this little hot product over here, so you can literally put your hot product stick over this hole and then easily cross by it because your products were hot. Again, I'm really shit at drawing stick figures, but yeah, there we go, that's complete. Anyway, so you guys understand that if you have hot products, in a nutshell, your business will probably start making more sales, and you'll eventually start learning exactly how to make better influencers, better advertisements, and find better influencers, okay? So a hot product is the basis of every single business, okay? Supply and demand, okay? Supply and demand. Very simple stuff, okay? Alright guys, the number one way of actually finding the hot products is that copy what other people are doing. So let's say Billy over here ended up, you know, searching for a really good product, and he got the product, he put it on his store, he made a lot of money from it, and now he's like, oh my god, I'm just gonna go and buy a Gucci jacket, okay? Or maybe some kind of Porsche, or maybe some kind of bullshit, he just buys it, okay? And you're gonna look at him and you're gonna say, oh, he's just buying his stuff. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna look at his store and I'm gonna see what his best-selling products are. I'm gonna take their products and then I'm gonna sell it for myself. You guys, you don't need to reinvent the wheel, okay? You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can just copy what's working and make that initial money and then go on from there. So the best way to do this, I would say, is just go on this page right now. I'm gonna send you guys this really good website. These are the top fucking, I don't even know, thousands of Shopify stores listed ever made, okay? So you can literally go on this website and look up all the top stores. Like before anything, I would say that look at the top 5, top 10 stores and look at their designs. I'm just gonna copy, let's look at this. I already used Fashion Nova. Let's go on this number 6, movement watches, okay? We're gonna go on this page right now and we're gonna apply a little trick. So you look at their pages. Now this is exactly what I want you guys to listen to very, very, very carefully, because this can be this can be game changing for you, okay? This can be life changing. So I want you guys to go in the top 10 of these and just look at their design. Just take an idea of how are people selling products, okay? This brand, Movement Watches, started as a drop shipper, okay? You can see the kind of potential. Now they have their own products. So look at their, look at their exact homepage. Look at what collections do they have, what kind of, like, they have men's, women's, braid. Then I'm just gonna click on their one of the watches. So we're gonna see what collections they have. Collections, all men's watches, okay? We're gonna see their prices. Obviously, they're premium priced now because they're just really famous. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on one of those watches or whatever products you find in that website, and you're gonna take a look at their product page. So right now, you're just taking ideas of how are people structuring the items. So you can see it's a white background with the normal product on the page because they're displaying the product. This is another really good high quality picture of the product. They're upselling 3 products along with it, and you can see customer reviews in the bottom, and you can see a little bit of description. So this way you can understand how you want your website to look like. They have this really good add to cart thing you're just sticking by. So there are a lot of things you will understand just by looking at these product pages. And after researching for 30 minutes, after going through all these websites, I want you guys to go over all these 50 websites on the first front page and look at them. Look at what you learned from them, okay? What kind of images are they using? How is the website looking? Why do people buy from this website, okay? When you do that, now you will have an unbeatable website, okay? And you can also write this special code at the end of the website just to find their best-selling product. By the way, I'm going to be pasting these links in the description below, right below the course, by the way, $97 if you really get it. Anyway, alright, the next step is to basically find the best-selling products of these stores. So obviously, you don't want to find the best-selling products of the top 50 stores because they have their own products most likely. So you want to go up to page 5 or even up to page 9 or something like that, and you're going to be able to see some drop shippers eventually. And now you can just go ahead and copy all the website names one by one, go on the websites and type the special collections code, which is going to give you the best-selling products of all these websites. So you guys can imagine the top 500 websites which are getting insane amounts of traffic every single day, an insane amount of sales every single day. You can now just be taking every single one of their best-selling products and putting them in your own store. You can make literally almost a replica of their store and then promote to that audience and make a shit ton of money. Guys, once again, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just copy what others are doing. If you're really new at this, you don't know what to do. No matter what you're doing, if you're able to replicate the exact best-selling products you find on these stores and promote them properly, there's literally no reason for you to not make sales. Alright, the next way is to head over to apps.shopify.com, and this is a really secret trick that I've discovered myself. Normally people would just say you want to go and type in Oberlo because this is the application most dropshippers use. Then you want to go and scroll down to reviews, and then you want to just click on their names one by one, and you will be able to see their exact stores, their dropshipping stores, okay? If their stores are open, that means they are paying Shopify a plan, that means they are making money. So you guys gotta understand, you can look up all these stores, and whatever stores are actually making money, you can just copy them, or you can just look at their best-selling products. So now we're going to be looking for some upsell apps because these are the applications that the stores are paying for. And you have to understand that if a store is actually paying $34 a month for an application for their store, they must be making money. So you're going to go on these applications which are actually charging a lot for people, and you're going to go on these shops now, and you know for sure that these are actually making money. And you're going to go on their stores, you're going to type in the collections code. I'm just going to write it down real quick just to show you guys. So we're gonna go here, we type the collections code, boom, we found their best-selling product. There you go. We have they're all top 5, top 10 best-selling products. So guys, you can see how powerful this is. So yeah, this way you can research for a couple of hours if you want. The more the better, but you really won't need more than 15-20 minutes of solid research and finding the good products in your niche. And once you do this, look at this, this is a fitness website, this is another website. So you know that these websites are extensively spending money. And just go on different applications, find as many websites as you can, go for 5-star reviews, and boom, there you have more hot products. Because these websites that are selling these items, think about it guys, if they have enough money to spend on applications so much, they must be spending a lot of money on applications alone, and that means they must be making money. And how are they making money? By their best selling products. So there you guys go, that's another really powerful way to find best selling products. Another really powerful way of finding hot products for selling is you go on Aliexpress, and this one I really like a lot. Basically you type in, let's say you're selling watches, okay? So you can have watches in Aliexpress search, okay, and you're gonna go, and it's if it ever fucking loads. Okay, we're gonna click on orders. We're just gonna sort everything by orders, okay? So once you sort all these by orders, you'll be able to see a bunch of watches which are really hot selling, and they have been sold over and over. They're proven to sell. Look at this, $52,000. Oh no, what am I saying? 52,000 orders, 17,000 orders, 16,000 orders. So basically, you're gonna look at one of these watches. Let's take this one for example, okay? Ooh, looks like a really good watch. So what we're gonna do now is we're actually gonna use our snipping tool, or we're just gonna go down a bit, and we're gonna, wow, they have some really cool images. You could really use all these images for ads. Holy shit, look at this. This is really good. This is really good. I might even sell this. Anyway, so you're gonna save this image of the watch, okay? And now, this is my favorite way of finding hot selling products. You're gonna go on Google Images. You're gonna search by image, and you're gonna paste the image right there, okay? And now you're gonna go on page 2. So what this did is that it's gonna show you every single store which is selling this watch, and everywhere where this watch is shown. So here you guys go, already on the second page of Google. You already have a really good store right here. You can see we just found another store just by reverse searching this watch. I'm pretty sure no one talks about this much. I don't know if they don't want you to know it, but I'm just being transparent with you guys. This is exactly how I find my products and how I make money. I really want you guys to do the same. And now we can just once again sort these by best selling again, and shoes are really best selling right now. Might have to start selling shoes. Damn, look at these. Anyway, so now you guys can see you just found a perfect landing page of this watch. You can see someone is selling this watch for $17. But this way you can start getting more ideas, and there are literally thousands of pages of people selling different stuff. So you're never gonna run out of these things. We're gonna keep going. Then we have once again men's watches. We're gonna continue, see what this guy is selling, and boom, there you go. They're selling this watch for $69. I really don't think someone would buy it, but maybe they might buy it. So anything is possible, guys. Let's see. Let's look at their best-selling products. So precisely, we're going on these pages and then sorting their store by best-selling. And this is also a really good way to just copy their descriptions and change them up a bit. You know, you can understand what kind of product pages do they have. By the way, I would never use this product. This is a really bad product page. It's kind of blue, should be greenish, and this doesn't really look good. It could use a better theme. There is not really, I can't really trust these trust badges because I don't see any PayPal safe checkout or credit cards, and they're all in blue, so don't create a page like this. Anyway, so you can learn from all these pages, and that's it, guys. So yeah, once you find multiple stores, you just found multiple stores of this best-selling watch, and now you sorted all their stores by best-selling as well. So after all these 3 steps, you're gonna have a bunch of really high-selling products, and the journey of making thousands of dollars is just starting out. Oh, what? You said you still want more? Okay, then I guess I'll have to show you exactly another way of finding hot-selling products, and this is equally good as the other ones. And this one's pretty simple, okay? You basically go on big pages. So let's go on some kind of meme page real quick. So for example, this is a really big page right here. What you want to do is you want to observe these pages for a couple of days or maybe 4 days and see what kind of ads are people posting, okay? See their ads, look at the product that they're posting, who are they promoting, why are they promoting it, and then just copy that same ad, copy that same product. So that's another way of, because if they're doing something constantly, you know that it's best selling, you know that it's starting to sell. People are doing it constantly, means it's going viral. So there you guys go, another way of finding really hot products. I just given so much value in this video. I really hope you guys learned something new and you go out there and crush it, make all those dollar signs, and live the life that you want to live. But yeah, guys, if you really want to take Shopify to another level and start making those 4, 5, 6 figures, I would really recommend you guys highly to get into my course. It's only $97 for this week only. It's supposed to be $600, but I've got it down to $97 for it this week, just because I understand that a lot of you are actually struggling with money. I know I've been at the broke struggle. I was broke at a time, remember? So I really know how you guys feel. That's why I want you guys to have money left over for ad spend. No one else is gonna sell you a course for this cheap, and you're not gonna have any money left for ad spend. So you guys will learn every single thing you ever need to learn about Shopify and still have money left for ad funds. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, dude, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, Shopify can be a little tough sometimes. It might be a struggle for you, for some of you guys. So don't give up, don't get disheartened, keep going, you're on the right track. Take care, have a great day, and peace out.
Building walls to burn them down, cannonballs to watch me drown. You've got me lost in here and now, you've got me gone and lost and found. We only hang in evenings and I don't know what I'm thinking, but I know that I won't think it if I keep up with this thinking. All these dreams and all these plans we shared.